If you came to this video, you might be wondering why I'm telling you to drink the water during eating. And all of you might be thinking that you have never heard of it before. But yes, I would like to tell you this is all truth. You can drink water while you are having your meal. To understand this, you all have to watch this video completely. At the end of this video, you all will come to know that why I'm telling you to drink water during the meal and what is said in Ayurveda about it. Let's get started. Namaste to all yogis. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant J Yoga. In today's hectic life, many people are not aware about food and water intake. We eat and drink according to our own will. We do so unknowingly. That makes our body sick. When it comes to water, Ayurveda says, Ajirna bhesajam vari, jirne vari balapradam. Bhojane chamritam vari, bhojanante vishapradam. It means bhojane chamritam vari means when you eat food, that time when you drink water sip by sip, it is like a nectar, like a tonic. It is having healing power. But when you drink water immediately after your meal, it is like a poison. You must understand how to use the water as a nectar. And if you understand this properly, you can use this water element to cure your body and to help your digestive system to function very well. Understand there are two types of people in this world. One who are very healthy. They don't have digestive problems, but another who have indigestion problem. Food is not digesting properly. So for both of them, this water intake can be different and can be same. It depends what you want. So for example, those who are healthy, not having any issues. So for them, if they are thirsty, if they feel that the food which they are taking doesn't contain enough water, and during that time they don't have enough saliva to mix with this food, so the food can be easily digested before it enters to the stomach. That time, sip by sip, you can drink water with your food, but make sure that you are not taking or gulping the water a lot directly. If the water goes directly to the stomach without mixing with the food, it becomes poison that time definitely. But if your water is mixed with the food into your mouth before it enters to the stomach, it has a strong impact. It will help your digestive system to function and work very well. Now those who are having indigestion problem, they definitely need to drink water during the food. What happens when you have indigestion problem? There are few reasons that your food is not digesting properly and it is becoming toxic when it enters to the body. The first reason is that you don't have enough digestive fire. In our body, we have one acid called hydrochloric acid, which is responsible for digestion. HCl is there to trigger the enzymes in the stomach to help us to digest protein and later absorb minerals and kills microbes. But some people, those who don't have enough production of this HCl, they have indigestion problem. Second, saliva. Some people, because they are dehydrated, they don't have enough saliva production in their mouth. Due to this, you are having indigestion problem. In that condition, you are allowed to take sip by sip water during your meal. But make sure that the water has to be mixed with your meal nicely and chew nicely, and then slowly it should go to the stomach. It will definitely help you. There is other side also, that when you can take water and when you cannot take water. Understand, when you are eating protein-rich food, mostly protein, at that time, maybe you shouldn't take too much water. What happens when you take water with protein-rich food? The HCl, hydrochloric acid, primarily work is to digest protein. So when you drink water with protein-rich food, what happens? It will disturb the HCl amount in your body. As a result, your digestive fire will become weak. So make sure that when you are having protein-rich food, that time try not to take water. But when you are eating other meal, then you can allow your body to take more and more water, no problem. Now Ayurveda is also mentioning Ajirne bhesajam vari, jirne vari balapradam, means those who are suffering from indigestion, they should definitely take water sip by sip during their meal, because that water works as a tonic for them. Now the second, after meal, how much you can drink water and when should you drink. Understand very clearly. When the food is mixed with enzyme and digestive system is started working, after that you can drink water, no problem. But before that, do not disturb. So normally it takes minimum 1.5 hours. So that's why in Ayurveda we always say at least take a gap between 1 to 2 hours if you drink water. If not 2 hours, at least 1 hour you should take. So do not drink water in between. Once you eat for your first meal, take 1 hour gap and then start drinking water if you are thirsty. Do not gulp the water. Do not disturb the process. So try this and enjoy your healthy life. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. If you have any question, please write in comment. I will try to give you an answer as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Take care. Namaste.